Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to start the topic physical properties of group 15 elements. So, you know that what are the physical properties? The physical properties are like metallic character, melting point, boiling point, and in other we have density, allotropy. These are the physical properties. Now one by one we discuss these properties. The first property we have is metallic character. Metallic character there. So the character of the metals is known as metallic character. You know that when we discuss this nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, then after we have the element bismuth. So in this condition, nitrogen, phosphorus, both these elements are non-metals. Arsenic, antimony, they are the metalloids. And bismuth element is considered as a metal. So, what conclusion we are getting there, that when we move from nitrogen towards the bismuth, metallic character increases. Metallic character increases in this condition. Now, what is the reason behind this? That this condition is present in these elements. On moving down the group, the metallic character increases. In group when we move from up to down, the metallic character will increases. Why this happens? Due to the increased in nuclear charge and the higher electronegativity of elements of group 15 are less metallic than group 14. Due to the reason that is increased nuclear charge. Increased nuclear charge. As a result, valence electrons are lost more readily. When the size increases, the valence electron are lost more readily, and hence the metallic character increases. Hence the metallic characters will increases. The second thing we have melting point and boiling point. Characters related to the melting point and boiling point. So second character, melting point and boiling points. You know what are these terms? Melting points means the temperature value on which solid starts the melting. It means solid start the conversion into the liquid. And boiling point means in which liquid start converging into the gases. So these are the points. Now we have comparative study between these. Group 15 elements increases from nitrogen to arsenic. Group 15 elements increases from nitrogen to arsenic, and then decreases antimony to bismuth. Then decreases from antimony to bismuth. That is increases and in this condition decreases. In this condition decreases from antimony to bismuth. The boiling points, however, regularly as we move from nitrogen to bismuth. Now explanation is melting points increases down the group nitrogen to arsenic, down the group nitrogen to arsenic due to the increase in their size. The reason responsible for this increase in their size, when we move from nitrogen to arsenic, there is an increase in the size of their atoms, but the melting point from antimony to bismuth decreases. Melting point from antimony to bismuth decreases. Antimony to bismuth decreases. Now a decrease in melting point of antimony and bismuth is because of their tendency to form the covalent bonds, because they have the tendency to formation of the covalent bonds. Instead of these covalents, three covalent bonds instead of the five covalent bonds due to the inert pair effect. So that is about the melting point and boiling point effect which we have there. Third property, density. Third property is density of these elements. Density of these elements. Density of elements of group 15 increases regularly. Increases regularly. Increases regularly. Density of these elements increases regularly. Allotropy. Character of allotropy. You all know that what is this character of allotropy is, if the element is present in more than one form, that is known as a character of allotropy. So nitrogen and bismuth, exceptions are nitrogen and bismuth. Nitrogen and bismuth, both are the exceptions there. They don't show the allotropic character, but the other elements like phosphorus exist in the three allotropic forms: white, red and black phosphorus. White, red and black phosphorus. These are the three allotropic forms of phosphorus. Arsenic and antimony exist in two allotropic forms. Arsenic and antimony exist in two allotropic forms. They are present in the yellow and grey color. They are present in a yellow and grey color. So these are the general properties shown by these elements of group number 15 which we have. Thanks.